The Earth is currently losing on the order of approximately 1 to 1.5 gigaton of land-based ice per day from glaciers Greenland and Antarctica combined, with higher short-term or broader cryosphere loss estimates sometimes cited. The 1.5 degrees Celsius Paris COP21 aligned albedo pathway would require restoring persistent bright ice at rates significantly exceeding current losses to achieve net cooling rather than stabilization alone. At very large scale, this could correspond to millions of square kilometers of high albedo ice at approximately 1 meter ice equivalent thickness, potentially comparable in order of magnitude to an Antarctica-scale reflective area. In practice, this would not need to appear as one continuous ice mass, but as a distributed network of high reflectivity ice zones across polar oceans, positioned over dark, low albedo water where radiative cooling impact is greatest. Typical polar seawater contains approximately 2.0–2.6 millimole of dissolved inorganic carbon per liter, equivalent to approximately 0.088 to 0.114 grams of CO2 per kilogram, or approximately 0.009 to 0.011% by mass. Processing 1 gigaton of seawater and retaining 100% of its dissolved inorganic carbon stores, only approximately 0.00088 to 0.000114 gigaton CO2, worth roughly $5 million to $100 million depending on carbon pricing. Therefore, SNOWPANEL's main value is not dissolved inorganic carbon revenue alone, but thermodynamic cooling, restoring ice, albedo, and latent heat balance, therefore introducing a new Albedo Restoration Credit. Then, if that ice persists as bright reflective snow or ice, it reduces solar absorption. This can be worth far more than the carbon alone, indicatively $10 billion to $100 billion per gigaton of persistent high albedo ice per year, depending on persistence, location, solar exposure, and carbon equivalent pricing. Carbon markets under COP21 are not incorrect, but they are fundamentally incomplete because they price only the mass of CO2 removed or avoided, while the climate system is governed by energy balance, albedo, and heat storage. SNOWPANEL science, technology you can build today.